They're probably going to have a fantastic day today because, Robbie, I've got a good forecast for you. We are going to be looking at the chance for some thunderstorms in the afternoon, but by the time the latter part of the day rolls around, we'll start to see some sunshine peek through the clouds. Once again, it'll actually be some good pool weather for your Father's Day if you are planning to get out and about. High temperature today topping out around 92 degrees. I wish it was 72. 101 is what it's going to feel like. We have a southerly flow, winds out from the south around 5 to 15 miles per hour, a little bit of a breeze a little bit later on today. But I am tracking the chance for some thunderstorms thanks to a big mesoscale convective system that's in Oklahoma right now. It'll sag down to the south within the next couple of hours, bring our northern counties the chance for, well, isolated severe thunderstorm development. We're talking about gusty winds upwards of 60 miles per hour is the highest potential of that severe threat today, but pretty much all of North Texas under that level 1 out of 5 threat. Here's a look at the timeline. Within 10 a.m., about a 20% chance for some rainfall across the Metroplex, and that'll stay the case as we move into the latter part of the afternoon. But later on today, we finally clear things back up into the forecast. I want to show you that system and where it's at right now. It's in Oklahoma, but it's moving down to the south, and it's moving at a decent speed. So we'll be looking at the potential of our northern counties being impacted within the next hour or so. DFW, I'm looking at that timeline for you around 10 a.m. to around 12 a little bit later on today. Again, big mesoscale convective system moving down to the south as we speak. It's tapping into a lot of convective inhibition, which means it's going to lose some of its strength. However, we could see some reinitiation of stronger cells within the afternoon time period. So here's a look at 1245 from our forecast model. It does look a little bit more aggressive than what I think will actually happen, but some rain showers will be possible, some thunderstorms. Remember, when you hear thunder, you want to make sure you go indoors. Possibility for a couple more sprinkles moving into 6 p.m., but generally speaking, most of us will be dry by then. Then moving into tomorrow, we could see another mesoscale convective system push across the region as well. Here's why. High pressure system dominating in the desert southwest and kind of over West Texas. It'll continue to retreat and move off to the west, but we have that northerly flow aloft, and that's why we could see the potential for some rainfall in the morning tomorrow. But by the time we move into Wednesday, we have another system that'll push through. Regardless, we'll likely stay dry through the rest of the week, but we do have another chance for some rainfall. As of right now, 77 degrees is where we're sitting at, but the high temperature will feel much warmer today in the triple digits. That's the case during your Monday. It'll feel more like 102, even though that high will top out in the mid 90s. Moving into Juneteenth, 95, and we're starting summer at 96 degrees and sunny.